So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB CRK exam revision series, we have here these 14 JAMB repeated questions to answer on the topic love. So this video will be about love for one another, so ensure to see till the end of this video. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, the new commandment Jesus gave to his disciples was that they should A. Teach one another, B. Lay down their lives for one another, C. Comfort one another, D. Love one another. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. That's love one another. So that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and check out the next question, guys. Alright, so we have here the next question. Question number 2. It says, in Paul's letter to the Romans, he who loves his neighbor has A. Overcome evil, B. Gained eternal life, C. Fulfill all law, D. Overcome sin. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. That's fulfill all law. So let's go ahead and check out the next question, guys. So here we have question number 3. It says, Jesus charged Christians to express love just as A. He laid his life for the sake of mankind, B. They would do to their neighbors, C. He taught them the new commandment, D. They love God. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here. That's he laid his life for the sake of mankind. So that's it for this question. Let's proceed to the next, guys. We have a question number 4. It says, by what did Jesus say people will identify his disciples? We have A. Doing good to all men, B. Preaching Christ unto people, C. Miracles, signs and wonders, D. Loving one another. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. That's loving one another. So that's it for this question. Let's proceed to the next, guys. So we have here question number 5. It says, the mark of a true disciple according to Jesus Christ is A. Keeping the 10 commandments, B. Loving one another, C. Fasting and praying, D. Knowing the word. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here. That's loving one another. So let's proceed to the next, guys. Here we have question number 6. It says, according to Paul, if we give away all that we have, we deliver our bodies to be burnt, but have not love, we A. are like a cleansing symbol, B. gain only the world, C. gain nothing, D. are like a noisy gong. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. We gain nothing. So let's proceed to the next, guys. So we have here question number 7. It says, the royal law that surrounds love in the Bible is A. Honor your father and mother, B. Thou shalt not take the name of the Lord thy God in vain, C. You shall have no other gods before me, D. Love your neighbor as yourself. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. That's love your neighbor as yourself. So let's head on to the next question, guys. So we have here question number 8. It says, the importance of love in the teachings of Peter is that it A. covers a multitude of sins, B. extends to Christians only, C. takes on to eternal life, D. brings together all believers in the community. So guys, the answer to this question is it covers a multitude of sins. So that's option A here. That's it for this question. So let's proceed to the next, guys. So guys, we have the next question here. Question number 9. It says, the young man who wanted to know from Jesus what good deed would qualify him for heaven went away sorrowful because he A. hated the poor, B. would realize little money from sale of his possession, C. some rules met him with Jesus, D. has great possession. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. He has great possession. So let's proceed to the next, guys. So here's the next question, question number 10. It says, according to Paul, he who loves his neighbor has A. fulfilled the law, B. peace with God, C. eternal life, D. Overcome all evils. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here. Fulfilled the law. So that's it here. Let's proceed to the next question, guys. We have your question number 11. It says, which of the following commandments is described by James as the royal law? We have A. You shall not covet your neighbor's property. B. You shall love the Lord your God with all your heart. C. You shall love your neighbor as yourself. D. You shall have no other gods before me. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. You shall love your neighbor as yourself. And that's it for this question. So let's proceed to the next. Over here we have question number 12. It says, in the Gospel of Mark, which group of people did Jesus specifically mention that we should love with all our hearts? We have A. Family members. B. Our enemies. C. Fellow believers. D. The poor and needy. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here. Our enemies. So let's proceed to the next question, guys. We have a question number 13. It says, Jesus charged Christians to express love just as A. He taught them the new commandment. B. They would do with their neighbors. C. He laid his life for the sake of mankind. D. They love God. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. He laid his life for the sake of mankind. So let's head on to the next and last question, guys. Over here we have question number 14 of 14. It says, which of these is not an attribute of love by St. Paul? We have A. Love is kind. B. Love is boastful. C. Love does not envy. D. Love is patient. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. Love does not envy. And that's it for this question, guys. So this is where we end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we're sure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on JAMB examination. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.